Hey mates, today I want to talk about Bitcoin Knots hitting 15% of the network. It looks like bull markets are popping up everywhere these days, obviously in Bitcoin and in the ocean mining pool's hash rate hitting new highs, as well as Bitcoin Knots breaking past 15%. We can see this right here. It's more than 15% of the network as I'm recording this. I haven't seen anything like it. Michael Dunworth says, I haven't seen anything like this in startup entrepreneurship before. So this is all really good news. If you don't know what Bitcoin Knots is, it's the best way to run a Bitcoin node so you can verify that your Bitcoin is real and you don't need to trust someone else's node. Bitcoin Knots gives you much more configurability than Bitcoin Core and really makes you the king of your own mempool. It allows you to fight back against malicious mining pools, crypto VCs, and anyone trying to spam the network. Who's getting rich from Bitcoin spam? I'll put a link in the description below, but it's basically the malicious mining pools and crypto VCs. If we look at Bitcoin not listening and non-listening nodes, there are nearly 10,000 nodes. When you upset 10,000 people, you know you really messed up. This has been an unprecedented move from Bitcoin Core to Bitcoin Knots, and if you haven't joined the revolution yet, I'll put all the resources in the description to help you get started. If you're finding this interesting, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.